warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Warju. I am a lecturer and researcher from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. In this occasion, and due to the outbreak of COVID-19, I would like to deliver my online presentation on the Mathematics, Informatics, Science Education International Conference or MISEC 2020 of my paper entitled The Effect of Titanium Dioxide-Based Metallic Catalytic Converter on the 4-Stroke Motorcycle Engine Performance. First of all, I would like to talk to you about background and the purpose of the study. The third global goal of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, that has been declared by the United Nations from 2006 till 2030 is to take concrete action to address climate change and its impacts. Activities that must be carried out are making strategic effort to reduce air pollution, especially exhaust gas emissions that are generated from motor vehicle exhaust fumes. Therefore, a smart solution is needed to control the exhaust emission of these motorized vehicles. One technology that can be applied is a catalytic converter that is mounted on a motorized exhaust vehicle. In terms of reducing exhaust emission, of course, the metallic catalytic converter based titanium dioxide technology does not need to be doubted. However, the problem is that not many researchers have examined how the application of the technology affects engine performance. Thus, the significant objective of the study is to analyze the effectiveness of using titanium dioxide metallic catalytic converter on the performance of a 4-stroke motorcycle engine. In part 2, I would like to talk to you about research method. The type of research is experimental research. The research object was a Yamaha Vision motorcycle in 2013. The engine performance testing standard is based on SAE G1349 about power test code, spark ignition and compression ignition net power rating. We use several instruments and equipment such as inertia chassis dynamometer, digital thermometer, digital tachometer and blower. Control variables are engine speed, engine oil temperature, ambient air temperature and humidity, and Pertamax fuel. At the same time, the dependent variable is engine performance such as torque and engine power. The data analysis technique use a quantitative descriptive method. In part 3, I would like to talk about results and discussion. The use of titanium dioxide catalytic converter can effect change in torque. A standard exhaust that has been modified with a titanium dioxide catalytic converter will effect the change in torque produced by the engine. This is because the design of the catalytic converter housing refers to a design that has been researched by Graham Bell by optimizing the exhaust gas flow through a modified taper inlet catalytic converter housing with an angle of 10 degrees and a taper outlet with an angle of 15 degrees. Besides that, the use of titanium dioxide catalytic converter can effect power change. A standard exhaust that has been modified with a titanium dioxide catalytic converter will affect the power generated by the engine. The back pressure influences this increase in the torque and power in the exhaust. The higher the back pressure, the lower the torque and power produced. This is consistent with the result of research by Burre, which stated that the higher the back pressure, the lower the engine power. Meanwhile, Sapra et al. Revealed that high back pressure could reduce engine operating limits, increase fuel consumption, and cause exhaust fumes. Strengthening this statement, B et al. Stated that the modification of the appropriate exhaust design has the potential to reduce the back pressure effect. In the last session, talking about conclusion, based on the results of testing and discussion of research that has been conducted, it is known that the use of environmentally friendly motorcycle exhaust with titanium dioxide metallic catalytic converter technology can increase the torque and power of Yamaha Vision Lightning motorbike in 2013. The best change in increasing torque and power are in titanium dioxide metallic catalytic converter with variation of Cu 2, 3, and 4 mm coated with 50 grams titanium dioxide. The change in the base increase in torque are respectively 14.58%, 10.94%, and 10.61% compared to the standard exhaust torch with platinum and rhodium metallic catalytic converter, whereas the change in the base power increase respectively 14.46%, 10.90%, and 9.63% compared with the standard exhaust power with platinum and rhodium metallic catalytic converter. This is the end my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.